2026 Nokia 1100 4G arrives as a modern revival of a legendary classic, bringing simple design together with smart connectivity for users who want reliability and long battery life. This phone reminds many people of the early days of mobile communication, yet it adds powerful upgrades that match today's digital world. Built with durability in mind, it focuses on clear calls, stable performance, and easy navigation. The goal is to deliver a dependable device that works smoothly in everyday life. Viewers watching this video will discover how this compact phone combines nostalgia and innovation in a way that fits modern needs. Design remains a key highlight of the 2026 Nokia 1100 4G because it keeps the iconic sturdy body that fans remember while introducing refined edges and improved materials. The device feels comfortable in hand, with a lightweight structure that makes it easy to carry in a pocket or small bag. Its keypad offers tactile feedback that ensures fast and accurate typing. The display is brighter and clearer than earlier versions, allowing users to read messages and check notifications in different lighting conditions. The overall look balances classic charm with a fresh modern touch that appeals to both longtime fans and new users. Performance is enhanced through 4G connectivity, making calls clearer and messages faster. This feature allows users to enjoy stable network support in many regions, which improves daily communication. The phone is designed to handle basic apps smoothly, offering tools like messaging, contacts, and simple browsing. The interface is easy to understand, so users of all ages can operate it without confusion. By focusing on efficiency rather than heavy multitasking, the device maintains consistent speed and responsiveness. This approach ensures that the phone remains reliable for those who prioritize communication and long battery life over complex smartphone features. Battery life is one of the strongest advantages of this device, staying true to the legacy of long-lasting power. The 2026 version offers extended standby time and multiple days of usage on a single charge. This is ideal for people who travel frequently or prefer not to charge their phone every night. The energy-efficient hardware and optimized software help conserve power while still supporting 4G connectivity. Users can rely on the device for calls, texts, and essential tasks without worrying about constant recharging. This dependable battery performance makes it a practical choice for daily routines and emergency situations. Durability continues to define the Nokia 1100 experience, with a tough exterior designed to withstand drops and rough handling. The phone uses reinforced materials that protect it from scratches and minor impacts. Its sturdy construction makes it suitable for outdoor work environments, travel, and busy lifestyles. This focus on strength ensures that the device remains functional even after long periods of use. The design philosophy emphasizes reliability and longevity, which has always been a defining characteristic of classic Nokia devices. By combining durability with modern connectivity, the 2026 model stands out as a dependable companion for everyday communication. Software features remain simple yet practical, allowing users to navigate through menus with ease. The phone includes essential tools like a calendar, alarm, flashlight, and FM radio. These functions support daily tasks without overwhelming the user with unnecessary complexity. The interface is optimized for quick access, making it easy to send messages or make calls in seconds. For those who prefer a distraction-free device, this phone offers a refreshing alternative to feature-heavy smartphones. It delivers the basics with efficiency and clarity, ensuring that users can stay connected while maintaining focus on what matters most. Connectivity options extend beyond calls and texts, with Bluetooth support for wireless accessories and file sharing. The device can connect to compatible headphones or speakers, allowing users to enjoy music and audio content on the go. The inclusion of 4G ensures that network compatibility remains strong for years to come. This forward-thinking approach helps the phone stay relevant in a rapidly changing mobile landscape. By combining essential connectivity features with a straightforward interface, the device offers a balanced experience that meets the needs of modern users while staying true to its roots. The camera system is modest but useful, offering basic photography capabilities for capturing everyday moments. While it does not aim to compete with high-end smartphone cameras, it provides enough functionality for quick snapshots and simple video clips. This practical approach keeps the device affordable and efficient while still offering essential multimedia features. Users can store photos and share them easily through messaging or Bluetooth. The focus remains on practicality rather than advanced photography, ensuring that the phone delivers reliable performance without unnecessary complexity. As viewers continue watching this video, they will see how the 2026 Nokia 1100 4G stands as a symbol of simplicity in a world filled with complex devices. It brings back the essence of dependable communication while embracing modern network technology. The combination of durability, battery life, and easy operation makes it a strong choice for those who value reliability. Whether used as a primary phone or a backup device, it offers peace of mind and consistent performance. This balance of tradition and innovation shows how classic designs can evolve to meet current expectations. Before the video ends, remember to support the channel and stay updated on more technology reviews and mobile device features by subscribing and sharing this content with friends who appreciate simple and reliable phones. The 2026 Nokia 1100 4G continues the legacy of a trusted brand while introducing improvements that keep it relevant in today's connected world. With strong battery life, durable construction, and essential features, it stands as a reminder that technology can be both simple and effective. Stay tuned for more updates and explore how classic devices continue to evolve for modern users everywhere.